Hi guys, it's your girl Lola and I'm back again with another video. Okay, this Whitney Houston inspired doll look, you can already tell it was I want to dance with somebody. I did this a few years back. This is when I was beginning doing my Whitney Houston inspired Barbie dolls for my personal collection. And she looks cute. The outfit's down packed, the hair is okay, the face is not really, Whitney Houston. And she looked fine, but it was cute for just, me beginning, but I saw I can do better. So I used another doll body and I kind of I tanned her, well, I bronzed her and kind of drew her face. Next, I used some better type of hair that really looked like the I want to dance with somebody hair. And oh, I transferred the outfit as well from the old doll to the new doll. So that was easy. Just, transfer the earrings, transfer the dress, and do the hair. I just had to hot glue the hair on the head and voila! There you have it. Isn't she beautiful? This is my favorite Whitney Houston doll, inspired doll that I ever done. I really think I really captured Whitney in this doll. I mean, 100%. I really do. Leave in the comments down below. Did I do a good job? And what other Whitney Houston inspired doll would you like me to do? This is my favorite, y'all. This is my favorite. It's your girl Lola. I'll be back with another video. Make sure y'all thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.